Hi everyone, my name is Harshita Basira and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today's topic of discussion is what are the 5 mistakes you should avoid to find your next data analyst job. Yes, so without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, now the number one thing is finding the right peoples. Yes, this is like I've seen and I've also experienced that as a fresher we sometimes connect with wrong peoples. Now here wrong people, what does the wrong people mean here is that, like for example, you have decided that now you are ready to start applying for the jobs and you find many peoples on LinkedIn to connect with and get some idea about any opportunities in their organizations. Now as a fresher we mostly think that HRs are the right person to connect with, but I would say this is the wrong thing. Yeah, why? Because HR already get many DMs or emails related to that application or a job related queries, and for that you are like becoming the part of a crowd. Okay, so instead what you can do is you can connect with a data analyst or whatever job role you are desired to apply. If you are applying for the data analyst or data scientist job, then I would suggest connect with that people who are already working in your desired role. So if you will connect with that kind of people, the chances of getting the even reply will become higher. Okay, so I would suggest instead of focusing on the HR side of the people, connect with the data analyst, senior data analyst, data scientist, or these kind of people on LinkedIn. So you will get some idea that even you will get the reply from them that whether they are hiring in their organization or not. So I would suggest to go with that direction instead of focusing on the wrong side. Hope you get it. The second mistake is that focusing on the ATS score rather than the ATS friendly resume. So there is a big difference between the ATS score or the ATS friendly resume. So I have seen that many freshers or candidates focus on the ATS score, that whatever their resume format is, they mostly focus on the score of the ATS, that if their resume scores is between A75 to 80, and when their resume is not shortlisted, then they see that my resume has ATS score above 80, but still my resume is not even shortlisted. What's the problem? And whatever the reasons. Okay, so here I want to clarify that never focus much on the ATS score. Instead focus on the format or the structure of your resume, or adding the enough keywords or the skills whatever mentioned in the JD, that is job description. So if you will focus in this direction, then the chances of getting noticed or shortlisted both will become higher. So how you can do that? Like for example, you have already created your resume and you get one job which matches your skills. Then what you can do is you can just copy paste that job description in ChatGPT along with your resume, and then just mention one prompt that how much percent my resume is matching with the job description. Once you enter the button, and you will the ChatGPT will give you some content that yes, your skill section matches 70%, your experience section matches 90%, whatever, etc. Based on that, you will get clarity that yes, I need to focus on this section, yes, I need to focus on that section, I need to add these keywords and all. In this way, you will get your resume will become more more clean, neat and clean, structured, and at last it will match the job description. So I would say don't focus much on the ATS score, but focus on the job description. Match your resume with job description. Mention all the relevant keywords mentioned in the job description. In this way, your chances of being shortlisted will become higher. Okay. Number 3 mistake is mostly candidates stop using LinkedIn. Yes, so here I want to strongly recommend that if you are looking for a jobs, then you should definitely use LinkedIn. Now here using LinkedIn means not applying for jobs on LinkedIn, only not applying for the jobs on LinkedIn, but also build connection, build network on LinkedIn, and it will only achieve by creating content. Yes, for example, you are ready to apply for a jobs and you have some skills related to data analyst and whatever. I would suggest post that kind of content on your profile, so your profile will start noticing in front of a right people. And if this will happen, the areas of opportunity will keep increasing in future, definitely. So I would suggest never stop building content or creating a network on LinkedIn, because it will definitely helps you in future, and the results are always fruitful for that. So I would say not just stop it, give it a try. You can post twice or thrice in a week, and just avoid ChatGPT for that. Whatever you have learned, just share that in a simple language, that's it, and the result will always be fruitful at the end of the day. Okay, so this is the very important thing which you must focus on it if you are a fresher or just want to make your career in analytics. Then LinkedIn networking is very important. That's it. Now, number 4 mistake is sending your CV without double checking it. Yes, so this is the very big mistake that many candidates do. In a rush of applying, they forget to check their resume whether there is there any spelling error, or are all links are clickable, or directing in a right direction or not, or right place or not. So this is the very I know this is the very minor things, but this will impact a lot. Even this can even reject the application due to just these minor errors. So this is the very important or crucial thing. You must check it before sending or applying for any jobs, or sending sending the CV to anyone. Okay, so it was once happened to me that I have sent my resume to the HR, and then she within few minutes she messaged me that Harshita, your email ID is not working, can you reshare your email ID? That time the HR was kind enough that she messaged me for asking the correct email ID, but all peoples are not same always, so due to these minor errors, they can even reject your application. So I would suggest whenever send your CV to someone, just make sure all links are working, all no spelling errors, or especially on the I would say your phone number or the email ID, your LinkedIn profile, portfolio, or the project links. These are some important things you should make sure to check it before sending your CV to anyone. And the number 5 thing is you must check out my ebook. Yes, so I have created a ebook called My 10 Resume Mistakes That Becomes Now Lessons. So you must check out that ebook where I have mentioned or added my experiences or the mistakes I have done in making my resume. So in that and along with that, how I overcome that mistakes, how ChatGPT helped me. So all these things I have mentioned along with the prompts I have used to avoid that mistakes in my resume. So you must check out that ebook, and you at the end you will definitely learn a lot. Thank you.